In today's video, we'll show you how to modify and cancel pending orders on cTrader. Let's quickly place a pending order. Simply right-click on the chart for the instrument you wish to trade. You'll see options to place a buy or sell limit, buy or sell stop order, or combine stop limit orders based on the price level where you click. To place a sell limit, just click on it, and the order will be placed. Now, let's modify it. Navigate to the bottom of the platform to the Orders tab. Here, you'll see all your open pending orders. To modify one, right-click on the trade and click on Modify Order. The Modify Pending Order window will pop up. Adjust the price according to the changing market conditions and your strategy. Next, adjust the lot size if needed. You can also set the expiry for your pending order. Simply select the desired date and time, and the duration of the order will be displayed accordingly. You can also set a stop loss and take profit. Just check the box for stop loss or take profit according to your strategy and adjust the price. Additionally, you can set a trailing stop loss for your pending order. Just check the box and that's it. Once everything is set, click on Modify Order and that's it. The sell limit will be modified. Alternatively, you can simply double-click on the specific pending order, and the Modify Order window will pop up again. Orders can also be modified directly from the charts. Right here is the order line. Just drag and drop it to your desired price, and the pending order will be updated accordingly. To set a stop loss or take profit, hover over to the respective line and drag it to the desired price. Alternatively, just double-click on the order line to reopen the Modify Order window. To cancel an order, right-click on the trade and click on Cancel Order, or click on the cross icon next to the trade. You can also click on the cross icon directly on the chart. And that's it. That's all about modifying and canceling pending orders on cTrader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.